Let's take a trip to Dollar Tree, Easter edition. So when you walk in, they have a whole bunch of Easter baskets. They come in different colors, sizes, and styles. I found this big Easter egg that you could put toys or candy in, just an idea. As you can also see, they have these Easter dyeing kits that have cups, which are less messy if you have children. I bought the Speckled Egg Kit and also the cup one. They have spatulas with Easter bunnies. They have name brand candy. And I found this carrot wreath, which I purchased along with this white rope. So what I did was I hot glued the white rope around the carrot wreath. So I was going for a minimal, simplistic look, and this is how it looks up close, so you could see the rope detail. I put it on my front door, but since my door is white, I don't think it's popping. So tell me what you think in the comments. I also purchased this bunny wreath along with 4 egg garlands, which I took apart and I hot glued them all along the bunny wreath. Then I attached the ears to a gold hoop wreath that had battery operated string lights around it. I also have this tutorial up on one of my shorts, so you can check that out. Also in Dollar Tree, I found these bottle brush trees that are cute for Easter and springtime. And I found bunnies. They were everywhere. Also these plaid gnomes, as well as more bunnies, so they're well stocked on that. I purchased this Easter sign, which I was going to change, but it actually worked out well. So this is how I decorated my mantle. I bought 2 bunnies. They have like a stuffing on the bottom, so it kind of gives it a little bit of weight. And this is how the Easter sign looks, along with the other bunny that you could see right there. I also found this sign that says the hunt is on. I like the beaded detail on the sign, and it kind of just blends in with the garland that I already have, and this is how it looks like as a whole. Normally I don't like color, but it just happens to work well. In Dollar Tree, you'll also be able to find Easter plates and napkins to set up your Easter table. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And always remember to shine bright and never let anyone turn off your light. Until next video.